So this explanation for like the mechanics and all. So what we go down here is that the first, obviously we try to see the first value first, and I mean it's a 4, right? So now we're gonna definitely insert at a small one, so doesn't matter. So now this 7, we're gonna like obviously plug it into like the large box, and now 3 will be the more interesting one, is because so operation Z is this, is that we're gonna plug into the place where it's the smallest the small box. So insert towards um, the small box. So you insert this guy to the small box. Cool. Now what's gonna actually happen is that you're gonna like basically try to actually ask a question that it's operation Y, that you ask that is my max heap, which is 4, is like my max heap um, more than my min heap. So I mean for the most part, like after asking like question Y, the operation Y is that is either yes, so I mean operation W, if say is like yes, it is more, then we move. So I mean here it's under the category of like obviously it's under the yes category, and then we have like the no category. So no category will just means that you fall under like operation X. Operation X is basically means that no, and then we kind of like don't move the object at all, so it retains. So under like for these 3, you ask the question 3 and 7, and it obviously is no, so I don't move. Now I go on to the next number, number 5. I go to 5, I insert the 5 always towards the small. And now like I mean before X and operation X, Y and W, there's actually operation maybe say J. Operation J is like very much talking about saying that does my small box the quantity is it more than the large box quantity. So this is like the main concern. So obviously the this time around 3 is more than 1. So okay, then we start doing a comparison. So is my max heap, which is 5, more than like the minimum over here? Oh no, like the moment we get this small more than the large, right, we straight away like there's like a straight pathway. So I mean there's like the yes no pathway, but there's also the straight pathway. We just basically move uh, max heap. So this will be operation G. So I mean we have three categories. We have the yes, we have the no, and we have the straight. So when there's like this so it got to have like operation J first. If say operation do kind of like exist, we're gonna move the item straight. So we're gonna move the max, come over to over here. Now here got like two values. Now obviously we have the 1, insert the 1, come over to the 1. Now cool. And then we ask the question, is the number here is more quantity more than the large quantity? Yes, it is, right? Yes, it is. So actually then we ask the question, is our max so technically there's no such thing as like a straight path. They always need to actually go down to ask the question. So operation Y, your max more than minimum. So this time around 4. Is it more than 5? Obviously it's no, so under the no category. So like I say no, I'm not gonna move. 1 stays over here, and that's the end. So that's basically the main implementation of like using two heaps, right? Because you abuse like the max heap and you abuse the min heap to actually create this function. And on the sidetrack a little, is that everything over here we're talking about two heaps, sure, but a lot of all these items is under the hood. That means when we go out to the leak code questions, it's very much that you straight away just activate the character to heap, and you're not gonna show like behind the hood what's gonna actually happen. And what's gonna happen is all these things that we've just explained. So yeah, with that I think I'm just very much looking forward to implement this, abuse these two heaps to actually see how much can we actually solve for those leak code questions and whatnot have you. Just very much looking forward. And so yeah, everything comes to an end.